Hey everyone, if you're looking for a super comfortable car that has an amazing media center with a backup camera and more, then check out this 2018 Toyota Yaris. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. You can find out why at over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this red exterior color. I love the design of the front here. It looks very fierce and sporty. You have your Toyota badge there in the middle, blacked out grille with these halogen headlamps. And this has a 1.5 liter engine. And looking down at your wheels, those are 16-inch alloy wheels. This could fall under our smart warranty, and if it does, it'd be our 5-year, 60,000-mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Then looking down at your side mirrors, they are power adjustable. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black and blue cloth seats. I love this mesh insert in the middle. It's kind of like a sport mesh, but they're super comfortable. They look really nice, easy to clean off everything. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your audio controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls all there on the front. Then looking over at your media center, one thing I love about it is that it is a touchscreen, so you can, of course, use that, or you can use the buttons that are down below here. So whatever's more comfortable for you. If you don't want to reach while you're driving, you can just use the buttons that are down here. So it has all of your apps right here, so you can utilize those settings. You have your entertainment stuff with all of your radio options, your presets, and your sources. And then you have your communication, so it's your phone settings. So if you want to connect your phone with Bluetooth, you can. And you can make phone calls, text messages all throughout there. You do have all of your settings here, and you have navigation if you subscribe to that. This does have a backup camera when you are in reverse, so it's super handy to have with those guidelines to help you out as well. So looking down below, you have your climate controls right there, and then you have a media hub with 2 USB ports, an aux port, a 12 volt, and an SD card reader. And then right here you have your media control button, so just use that dial. Your volume controls are there as well. Then you have 2 cup holders and then some storage space right there. And let's go look at the back seat. Alright, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers. Back here you have those same great seats and plenty of space. It's lots of room, lots of comfort. Then make your way around the side. You have your IA badging back there, and this does have a power trunk on your key fob. So let's take a look into the back there, which is super spacious. You have lots of room for all your stuff back here. So overall, great vehicle. You have your amazing seats, and you have that backup camera. And if you want to see this Toyota or any of our other cars, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.